That's what's going on, fishing fam. Thanks for tuning in. It's been a while since I posted a video. The bite has been tough, guys. Every time I go out, I only catch like 1 or 2 fish, so haven't really posted a video in a while. Been grinding in the freshwater, but we are out here today in the bay on the float tube, and we're throwing around this little net, this little jig by Missile Baits. This is a 1/4 ounce jig, and I got a little 2.7-inch divine swim bait on that bad boy, and we've been casting around. Got a few. Also have a 1/2 ounce underspin tied up. Got one on the underspin so far. It's still early. We're gonna be out here for a few more hours. We're fishing around these boat docks today, and we're targeting big spotties. So we'll see if we can't crank a few, get enough for a video. If you guys enjoyed the bay video, smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get it. All right, guys, we were fishing around some docks this morning. Starting out with this little 1/4 ounce, the 1/4 ounce Missile Baits jig, and I got a little 2.7-inch divine swim bait on there. We're gonna see if we can't get a tank spotty up in these docks. Starting out pretty early here this morning. We're out here first light this morning. Trucked it. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. We got something. That guy trucked it. Just one tick. One tick and all. First one on the little jig. Little 1/4 ounce jig. Pretty cool. Ooh. Oh, he broke. No. I thought he broke my line. I was like, no. Got it right in his eyeball. Shouldn't have crushed it so hard, buddy. Yes, first one of the day. Small guy, but still pretty cool on that jig. I was swimming it back. Ticked it pretty good right here. One more cast in there. So I'm just casting it next to the pylon. Watch my line as it sinks, because you'll get hit on the sink most of the time. If you don't get bit on the sink, close the bell. I'll reel up the slack, hop it a couple of times, let it sit, hop it a couple of times, let it sit, and then I'll slow reel it back. And then that's how I got the first one. I was just slow reeling it back. If you don't get hit, you just rinse and repeat. One 4-inch try out this 1/2 ounce Divine underspin with a 4-inch easy shiner. Pairs up pretty well with the 4-inch Kitech. And then this swim bait head has a screw lock on it, which is really nice because you'll save a few more Kitechs that way than your traditional jig head. It's pretty simple. You just screw it right on there, and then the tail will kind of go along with it as you screw it on. We could probably maybe go one more time. Boom. And that thing fits on there pretty flush. A 4-inch easy shiner. Oh man, I got cracked right there. Absolutely cracked. Oh, I hit again. Come on, little dinkies. Oh, that's choked it. Nice one. It's number 2. I mean, it's slow, but we're getting some bites. I haven't busted out the Ned rig yet. So that's a good thing. Nice one on the 1/2 ounce Divine. 1/2 ounce Divine underspin. I let that guy eat it for a while. He kept pecking at it, so I just kept letting him take it. That was right where I kept getting hit on the underspin. Tossed in there with the jig and got cracked. Two on the jig. And 2 on that jig. And that Divine swim bait's still holding up. It hasn't even came off at all. So that's pretty cool. On the swim right there. Number 4, slowly but surely we're getting on them. My goal was to just catch 5 today because it's just been so tough that you know, just to get 5 would be nice. We got 4. There he is, number 4, small guy. Swimming it. Haven't got bit on the fall yet. That's exactly how the last one hit it in the slip. I threw it in there and then I didn't get hit on the fall, until I started to reel it out of there, swimming it. Grew up a little bit, huh? Absolutely engulfed. Absolutely engulfed. Look at that jig. Gone. There it is. It's a solid one, probably 12 and a half or so. Nice spotty, healthy. Just barely picking it up, dude. I mean, barely. Small. Number 6. I'll take him. Better than nothing. Just working it slow, and he just barely picked it up. Oh, gee. Small guy. Put a little fat impact Kitech on there. That's what I got that guy on. My guy ticked it. Straight for that pylon. No, you don't. Open slip. It's number 7. Number 7. Choking that jig. Just one tick. Nice, nice. Another one. Oh, halibut. Halibut on a jig. What? What? Halibut on a jig. What? Broke my line, he broke my line. He broke my line. Small halibut on that jig. Dope. See ya. barely picked it up. It's number 8. It's number 8, don't hate. I didn't even feel that guy bite it, man. Didn't even feel you bite it, man. Such a subtle bite. But just choking it though. Little guy just pooped on me. A little bit better, huh? Come here, grumpy guy. That was gonna be my last cast. I smoked it. There he is. See you, buddy.